I am at the exciting new Filberts Farmhouse Kitchen right in Aurora, and I am in the kitchen with Chef Steve. And so, Chef Steve, I know that we're going to be doing a couple recipes. So what are we going to be doing first?
Today we're going to be making a Filberts hazelnut pesto.
Excellent. So what goes in it?
We got fresh basil, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, garlic, and olive oil.
Ah, so do you want to start making that and we can watch while you do it?
I'll get started on it.
All right. And so while Chef Steve is making this pesto, I'm going to be talking to Aaron. And Aaron, tell us about the restaurant, because we went through. It's a beautiful building.
Thank you for that. Yeah, it's a really cool place. It's different. The restaurant is focused on doing American comfort food. We try to bring a little bit of culinary modern expertise to that as well. One of the things that we try to do also is, since we're here in Aurora in the Willamette Valley, in kind of the land of bounty, absolutely, is to use a lot of these ingredients that we're lucky enough to be around.
Wow.
You know, for example, one of the things that Chef's doing right now, he just put in the Filberts into our Filbert pesto, and that's sourced from Donald, just down the street.
Right. And the owners are Filbert farmers.
Yes, they are. That's is so one of the things they do.
Busy people.
Oh yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
And you really get so many of your ingredients from around the area.
Yeah, many of the ingredients, we certainly get them locally. For example, I said that the Filberts are coming from Donald. We're getting, later as he shows us, the parsnip puree. We get those just down the street from Canby, my little hometown over there. So we really try to do our best to keep many of the ingredients as local as possible. And we're always trying to find a few more of those as well and source those. So yeah.
And I noticed the building is just so beautiful, and it's historic in itself.
Yeah, so the majority of the restaurant is brand new construction, but the old house, the Moeller Snyder house, is what you see right there on 99. That was the original structure on the property. That was built in 1865.
Whoa.
Yeah, Lincoln in the White House and the Civil War on. But the rest of the construction, the rest of the restaurant was meant to look as though it belonged in the same time frame, right? That the old house does. And so I think the designer, the owners, just did such a fantastic job of bringing that through and making people just kind of look out and when they get here say, wow, this is neat, this is different.
Right.
And they kind of see what they were going for. And
Excellent.
I think it's a really beautiful building.
So we're going to check back with Chef Steve. And so how's that going there?
That's completed. It's going good.
And it smells so good. I wish everybody can smell it, because you could smell that basil and you smell the cheese. It does wonderful. And so now what is the next recipe?
We got a parsnip puree.
Okay. And so we're going to get ready for that, and we'll be right back. So now we're back with another recipe with Chef Steve. And so, Chef Steve, what you gonna make?
Today we're making pureed parsnips. They're grown right in Canby, Oregon.
Oh, wow.
We're going to be taking this, we're going to be slicing parsnips.
Okay.
Into the pot.
All right.
Heavy cream and milk.
All right, low cal, right?
Exactly. Brown sugar. Bay leaf. A little garlic.
I love you have everything chopped up. That makes it go so fast.
Yep.
What was that?
Thyme.
Okay.
A little pepper.
All right.
And a little bit of salt.
All right.
I'm going to put it on the stove.
And then about how long
simmer
on this?
for about 45 minutes.
All right, and then you'd be stirring it and everything, and you want to reduce it.
Reduce it down for 40 minutes to the parsnips get mashed potato-like.
Okay.
Then we're going to take that and then we're going to put it back in the Robocoup and we're going to puree it.
All right. Well, that's going to take a little bit of time, so we'll be right back. So now we're back, and the parsnips are finished, and it's this beautiful finished product. So what happened in the meantime?
Okay, we took it off the stove and run it through a food processor until it's nice and smooth, and completed it. Salt, pepper, a little cream to keep it nice and pureed, and that's it.
And it's ready to go. And so what would you serve it with? What's on the
We
menu?
serve it with our salmon, it's short ribs, and the hazelnut breaded pork chop.
Wow, and it is amazing. I'm going to taste it in just a minute. I'm going to talk to Aaron here. And so, Aaron, Tell us about what else we can do at the restaurant. You do special events, don't you?
We do. Thank you for asking. Yeah, we actually have an event space that we use for, gosh, just about anything, but it holds 65 people-ish inside, and we have an attached patio outside, which is gorgeous, and that'll hold another 40 to 50 people. So we can really do some larger events for meetings, wedding receptions, rehearsal dinners, that kind of thing.
Yeah, we went through the wedding area and it was just beautiful.
Thank you.
And so how can we get reservations? How can we find out more?
Well, you can find us online at filbertsfarmhousekitchen.com. We have reservations through our website, or you can always give us a call.
Well, you know, it was very tasty. It watched me taste a little bit of it right then. And so if you have any other questions, please go to gardentime.tv and you can click over to their website, but come out, bring the family, or just a date. Thanks so much, you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.